Stuttering affects millions of people worldwide, but many misconceptions still exist. Today, we're busting the top 5 myths about stuttering, and trust me, you'll be surprised by number 3. Myth number 1: stuttering is just a sign of nervousness. The truth? Stuttering is a neurological condition, not something that comes and goes with anxiety. While anxiety might make it worse, stuttering is a complex condition that affects how the brain processes speech. Myth number 2: stuttering is a sign of low intelligence. This couldn't be further from the truth. Some of the brightest minds, like scientist Isaac Newton or actor James Earl Jones, have struggled with stuttering. Stuttering has nothing to do with intelligence. In fact, people who stutter are often highly creative and successful. Myth number 3: you can cure stuttering by just slowing down. This is a big one, and it's simply not true. Stuttering doesn't have a quick fix. Effective therapies involve practice, support, and patience, not just speaking slowly. Myth number 4: people who stutter don't like to talk. Wrong again. In fact, avoiding someone or finishing their sentences can be more harmful than helpful. Just let them finish speaking. After all, everyone deserves to be heard. And finally, myth number 5: stuttering can be cured. With therapy and support, many people can manage it effectively and live full, successful lives. So what do you think? Did any of these myths surprise you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you tomorrow to find out what today's special day is.